Quick update.
We're alive.
We're alive. I feel like I'm barely alive some days, but yeah, we're alive. So intro, and then we'll give you a quick update.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
All right, so the deal is we have a video that has been produced for a while now that explains what's going on, but we're waiting for the word so that we can talk about it. Now, we have other things that are going on too. I don't know if you noticed, but probably since the last video that you've seen me in, I've thinned down a little bit because I've got some health issues that are goofy, to say the least. So I've got appointments with cardiologist and gastroenterologist, and who knows what's going on. But nonetheless, my diet that I've been doing, because I can't eat because of whatever's happening, has got me to where Heidi's on the same diet, and we've been losing weight now. Ooh, what a lovely sound. So yeah, I've dropped, I don't know how much weight now. How much has it been? 24 pounds? 27 pounds.
Something
Yeah,
like that.
like 27 pounds. So we're a little bit healthy, but look at us. Jackets and long pants.
Winter.
Guess what? This is the worst winter day we've experienced down here in Vero Beach, and it was 39 last night. 39, can you believe it? And then today's high is only getting to 60.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's breezy, so it feels
cool,
but it's very sunny out.
Oh yeah, the sun's brutal down here. It's
like
amazing.
yesterday, it was super cloudy. Today, there's hardly any clouds in the sky. So it's very pretty,
Yeah.
but it's chilly.
Yeah. So, see, we can't really talk about anything. I can't really.
So quit bringing it up.
Yeah, yeah.
Pretend it's not there.
Yeah, we have a video. It's an hour long because I tried to chop it up and I just couldn't. That kind of explains what's happening, what's going on, the process, all that. A lot of you are going to comment, "Oh yeah, I know, da da da." You know, I know what it is. I know what it is, and it's not like it's a big secret. But we want to address it in the manner that we want to address it. So I don't want to throw it out there and drag it out. But as far as our day-to-day goes, and people saying, "Oh, I hope you guys are going to be back on YouTube,"
We have never left.
Yeah, we never left. We wanna be putting out the kind of videos we did before. We just can't, because it wouldn't make any sense. There'd be no continuity. It would be very confusing. It wouldn't tell the story. There's things that have happened, and but we did want to talk. We did want to get on here and talk to you about, in general, this is us. This is what we're doing.
The park is full here. There's only, the park's full.
Yeah, park's full.
Yeah, it's everybody's doing their day-to-day thing, and
So are we.
yeah, it's all's good there.
I guess we could tell you one thing. You can see the trucks going.
Yeah,
The truck's missing. Guess what we're having done? We're having one of those graphene ceramic coat paint correction.
graphene coating and
clay
paint.
bar.
Yeah, they clay bar it.
Paint correction.
Because remember when we were in North Dakota, the
horrible.
Blue Beacon didn't rinse our truck off
There's
very
one
well.
guy calls it streaking beacon.
Yeah,
Yeah, because it streaked it. It streaked it bad. We could not.
I tried everything to get it off,
Even
and the
on
only
the
way
windows.
that they say you could get it off is clay bar it. And
So they're clay
I
bar.
bought the clay bar, and I'm like, I'm not cut out for this, so I returned it.
Yeah, we just took it to a shop here that does high end. So, for example, the guy that is working on our stuff he said, "Hey, I could give you a ride back," and we had to make an appointment. It's been a couple weeks, and we had to make an appointment. And when we got there sat his Lamborghini convertible, and also his wife's Corvette convertible. And he's a younger guy. He's probably in his late 30s.
Yeah.
And this is his business. And then when we got there this morning, there sat a four-door Mercedes in place of, it must be his wife's Mercedes, four-door Mercedes. And then they said, "Oh, he's not here yet." And I said, "Well, he said he'd give us a ride back to the RV park." And he goes, oh yeah, he'll be here in just a few minutes. And then he showed up in his Mercedes Maybach. So we rode back. Want to talk about an Uber ride in a Mercedes Maybach.
Very
so,
nice.
yeah, really, really nice car. So I asked him, I said, what kind of mileage you get driving around the city? He goes, about 12. So we can share that. And that's about it. I think that's about all we can share, but we wanted to say hi. We're loving the sun. Today's the exception. We've only wore either a pullover or a jacket maybe 5 times this entire winter so far. And
A lot of evenings, once the sun goes down, it gets cool out, but it's not unbearable. It's 50. Yesterday it was in the 50s all day, so it
rain.
was
We had some rain.
and it was chilly. And then as the night progressed, it got cooler.
Long pants,
Maybe 5 times.
yeah, maybe 5 at the most. So
But this is the coolest weather that we've endured
nice,
so far.
nice winter destination, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to, we're looking forward to starting to travel again and doing more stuff. We've been doing stuff, like I said, some of the stuff I've talked about. You'll see that in the future video. And yeah, can't wait. So as always,
We hope to see you out here. Bye.
bye.